Hi, today I'm going to explain how to do georeference in QGIS. So we have a raster file here without any reference system. So we can use a georeference in QGIS to specify the georeference for this map. So we go to raster menu here and then under georeferencer. So this tool. But if you couldn't find this tool, you need to go to manage and install plugins, and then you need to find Georeference GDAL. So this one. You need to make sure that this plugin is installed and activate. Okay, we can just start. You can go to Georeferencer. Okay, this is the Georeferencer window. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add the raster file. So the raster file is here, and we need to specify the coordinate system, which is WGS84. We need to make sure that this coordinate system is similar to the shapefile or any other file that already have the coordinate system that we want to refer. Okay, we can zoom in. This is the island that we want to find the reference system, and we can start by adding this point. Make sure that the point that we choose is very distinct. For example, for an island like this, it can be a peninsula or spatial shape of the other side of the island. So we need at least 4 points, and make sure that these 4 points are well distributed across the map that we will georeference. So for example, the first point that I will choose is here, and this is from the raster file, and I will choose the correct coordinate or the correct location from the shapefile that I already prepared here. So you need to choose from map canvas and then zoom in for this shapefile and this point. Okay, this is the first point that I choose. Okay, the second point must be on the other side of the map so that it can be well distributed. So I will choose this unique shape here over here, and from map canvas it's here. Okay, and then over here, the north part of the island. Okay, I will choose this one. It's not very clear here, but we can try. This one, we can choose the slowest part. Okay, so after we have these 4 points, we can start georeferencing. Oops. Okay. We can choose this one, template spine. Then nearest neighbor, okay. We need to specify the output raster. So I will just modify this file name WGS84. So let's set as WGS84 and load in QGIS when done. Okay. Okay, it's done. And it's added to the map canvas here. Okay. Seems that it's Georeference. Okay. The red polygon is the original shapefile which has correct coordinate system. And on the back of the shapefile is the georeference raster file. Okay, I hope you enjoy.